Hi guys, Gareth here. Today we're going to have a quick look at how we can get the Tailors Pose dialed in using a little bit of extra weight. So the versions I will show you today is the free sitting version, so where there is no support, and the version against the wall. So the exercise can be done both ways. To begin with, you're going to sit upright, nice neutral head, and you're going to bring your feet into a diamond shape. And try and get your feet as close to your pelvis as you can. Now, depending on how flexible you are in and around the hip and the glutes, you might not be able to get your knees very close to the ground. You might be sitting at an angle, something like that. But this is where the extra weight is going to come in. First of all, sit in the stretch for about 30 seconds, regardless of where you're at, and try and engage your glutes and pull the knees to the floor using your own generated force. From there, we're going to grab two light weights and place them on the inside of the thigh just above the knee. We're going to sit for a couple of seconds, get used to that, however long it might take. Let the weight pull you down a little bit. Maybe another 30 seconds or so, max. From there, we're going to do 5 reps of squeezing the adductors and lifting our knees up. Almost trying to close your legs to about 45 degrees. Don't really need to go any higher than that. And then slowly relax it down, allowing the weight to pull you further into the stretch. Once we do 5 reps, we're going to move the legs out a little bit into a medium diamond. Still sitting up nice and tall. And we're going to repeat the 5 reps, closing the legs to about 45 degrees and relaxing off. Again, let it pull you deeper into the stretch. Once you've done 5 reps there, go to your long diamond and do the same thing again. We're going to reverse it then. We're going to go back to the medium diamond, do another 5 reps, and go back to the full tight Tailors Pose diamond. Feet in as close as you can possibly get, and do your last 5 reps. I say repeat that 3 times, and then sit for a final 30 seconds in the stretch. Now, if that's difficult and you're struggling to maintain a nice upright seated position, and you feel like you need to slouch back, you can just simply do this against the wall. Just sit with your back about an inch from the wall and try and maintain that seated upright position, but the wall's there for support if you do need it, if you find it nearly impossible to sit up. Give this a go, let me know what you think. This kind of weight at work is excellent for improving your mobility, flexibility, whatever you want to call it.